Don't press play unless you're ready to rewire your reality. For the next 180 seconds, your only job is to breathe and listen. Because right now, your mind is a magnet, and I'm about to show you exactly what it's attracting. Forget repeating empty words. These affirmations are frequencies. Repeat them out loud, or simply let them sink into your bones. Let's begin. I cancel every thought that does not serve my highest good. The past does not predict my future. It only proves my strength. I am not my mistakes. I am the wisdom those mistakes grew. Every doubt in my head is just an old story I no longer need to tell. So I close that chapter. Gently, firmly, forever. Today, I choose a new narrative. One where I win. I am a magnet for unexpected miracles. Opportunities don't just find me, they chase me. Why? Because my energy is rare. My vibe is a signal in a world full of noise. I don't chase, I attract. I don't force, I flow. What is meant for me simply cannot miss me. And right now, the universe is rearranging people, places, and timelines to meet my frequency. I just have to stay open. Watch this. The moment I relax, everything arrives. So I breathe in possibility. I breathe out pressure. I am allowed to want big things. I am allowed to rest while I wait. Success is not a sprint. It is a rhythm. And I am perfectly in tune. Even if nothing has changed yet, everything has changed inside me. And that inside shift, that's what the outside reflects. I already have everything I need to become everything I want. You made it. 3 minutes of choosing you. That wasn't a script. That was a signal you sent to the universe. And the universe heard you loud and clear. Now here's the secret. Say these words again tomorrow and the day after, because repetition rewires, and you are almost there. If this found you at the right time, like this video right now. Comment, I am a magnet, and subscribe, because your best reality is just 3 minutes away. See you in the next one.